This is a visual video, and it is gray and crimson red. Crimson color, kind of, like for Alabama football. So as you can see here, I've done gray, and then I made the letter A for Alabama. Or you can put B for Bama, whichever. Or you don't even have to put that, but I did. This is a custom order. And then I have the little X's that you see here that are little stitches. And then the A, I just basically use the squares. That's the cool thing about having these squares, is you can make any letter you want because you have the squares to do it. And then this one. And then for fun, I made this cute little, I made this little cute thing. Hint, hint, hint. So, but it is actually, ta-da! You actually put a picture in here. So I didn't want to put a picture in here, but I did put a little piece of paper in here so that you can see that it is a picture holder, and so that's what it looks like without it. And it's basically the solid gray, and how I did the trim here, I did that for here, and then the center was gray, so I did gray for the center. And then the trim. And so that way you can put a picture in here, and then you have these two sides, and then this one. So if you have it on your dresser or your nightstand, you can have it this way, or this way, or this way, and this way. And then nobody ever sees the back anyway if it's on your dresser. And then the top. Because it's so much gray in there, I wanted to break it up a little bit. So what I did is I just did a solid color, and then I did the gray, and then the solid color, and then the gray. So I did pretty much the opposite of the sides, and it turned out beautiful, if you notice. Let's see if I can get it to angle where you can kind of see. There you go. So with the red, it really looks beautiful. The crimson, the Alabama Roll Tide colors. But now if you want to do a picture frame on this side and this side, you can do that. Or all four sides. But this was just, so when they go to a football game, they can take a picture at the game, and then they can put it in here, and it can be like a little tribute to go into their first game. And then, like I said, you can see the cute little X's, the 5x5 squares, and the X's. You have your Alabama, and then you have your little designs, your little X's, and then that's your picture frame. And it's 3, and then the frame is 3. That's the way I always usually do it, so it's thin. And then that way you can just, let me take that off of there, and then you can just insert, well, if I could hold a piece of paper, and then you just slide your picture in. I also recommend that when you do put a picture in here, you laminate it, because that way if it gets dusty or dirty or somebody touches it or handles it, then it's, you know, laminated. So I do recommend laminating any picture you want to put in your tissue box. So this was a visual video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up. Lets me know that it inspired you and your creativity. If you are an Auburn fan, then this is the reason why I did the A. You can do A for Auburn. You can do orange, and then this the blue, or this the orange, and this the blue. You can just reverse the colors. If you're an Auburn fan, if you're a Tennessee fan, that's perfect. You just put the T here and the line down the middle. And then you can still use the same color technique. So any team that you're for, or country, you can use this little idea, because it's very simple. 2 colors and you're done. If you haven't already, please leave a comment, suggestion, tip, or ideas in the comment section. Give us a thumbs up, and we will see you soon. Bye.